All right, hi. So this is Jay from Life RX Wellness. We continue to answer your questions. And people, a massage therapist, ask those questions about stretches, and sometimes the massage therapists get in trouble, and I will explain. If you just massage therapist, you can recommend any stretches or any exercise to your client. Only if you get specific education, if you go specific class and you learn about those stretches. And that's what's important to do. If you don't, you can do the smart way. You can do like, say, I do this all the time. I do this type of stretch. Don't show it to them, like show it to them and say, this is what I do for my lower back pain. But if you say, oh, this is exercise you have to do this stretch, and person is going to do that and hurt himself, that's going to be trouble for you, because they're going to say, oh, massage therapist has told me to do that. And trust me, you get in trouble. So this is what I do for myself. And the way is like explaining, you want to try it. It's on your risk. It's on your own. If you very kind of worry about that stuff, give them the waiver. We have that link below. You can click and download our waiver. Just change the name. And this is going to protect you from those mistakes. But trust me, if people are going to get hurt, they will attack you and they will go for you. So be smart. Put some maybe disclaimer on your videos, and it's going to protect you too. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy your life. Don't forget to subscribe on our Patreon or YouTube and learn quick about massage therapy and manual therapy. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.